southern part of the Florida Keys. We are taking a walking tour today to explore this beautiful city. Our first stop is the southernmost part of the continental USA. We are only 90 miles away from Cuba. Right next to it is a statue of Bishop Albert Key, who was famous for blowing a conch and waving welcome to tourists all around the world in the 1950s. He was named a Key West ambassador. A few steps away is the southernmost house of the continental United States. We are heading to the Duval Pocket Park. From the park, we are able to see the U.S. military base. Beautiful flowers. We are heading to the lighthouse. Here we are. We visited their museum first. We watched a video that taught us about the history of the lighthouse. Furniture from the quarters of the lighthouse keepers. The beautiful lens used to give out lights. A model of the old lighthouse. We are ready to climb to the top. Take a look outside a window on the way. A gorgeous view from the top of the lighthouse. Beautiful lighthouse. It is well worth visiting. Conch train. Trolley. Bikes are available for rent in various places. Our next stop is the Truman Waterfront Park. A lovely water park. A shaded playground. Even the restrooms are nicely decorated. A 327-foot museum ship from World War II and the Vietnamese War. The ship is intact as if on its decommissioning day. We saw a big chicken family roaming around. They were brought to the island by early settlers for food and chicken fighting. Since Key West prohibits killing these birds, they multiplied quickly throughout the island. Chicken fighting is also banned. Next, we visited Fort Zachary Taylor. Fort Zachary Taylor was constructed in 1945 as part of the third-tier defense system along the U.S. coastal line. It was named after the 12th President, Zachary Taylor. The fort was 3 stories high and held 150 cannons and 450 soldiers. was used to defend the U.S. in the Spanish-American War, World War I, and World War II. We are heading to the Fort Zachary Taylor beach. Very nice view. The beach has small rocks. I suggest that you wear water shoes here. On our way to Mallory Square, we spotted a beautiful chicken. Here we are at Mallory Square. We visited a shell warehouse since we love shells. Beautiful artwork made by conchs and shells. We are getting hungry. We chose this Cuban restaurant for an early dinner. Seems like this chicken is hungry too. Today's special is lamb chop. We also ordered key lime pie. Yummy! Right next to the restaurant is a small sculpture garden. Another chicken. We walked slowly towards the Sunset Beach Bar. There's a live concert at night. The tables and chairs are cute and colorful. Best time to start a sunset cruise. One more thing I would like to mention is the hotel we stayed at, the Ibis Bay Beachfront Resort. What we like about this hotel is that they have hammocks in front of every room at the beachfront. So relaxing. They also have a nice pool, a small zoo, a shuttle bus to the downtown Key West every hour during the day, shark feeding twice a day, not to mention the beach view. We had a great time. Thanks for watching.